This week on Pishi Bomba, we had the sweetest guest, Trish. Please tell me what you wanted us to make today.
Kaimati.
Why did you want to learn how to make kaimatis?
It's for me and my mom.
Oh, it's for you and your mom.
Yeah.
And that's so nice because Ajab is all about Asante Mama actually. We showed her the step-by-step using only the finest flour, Ajab Flour. You don't want to miss this episode on Sunday at 6:30 p.m. with me, Clare Karatu, only on NTV. Pishi Bomba. Cook, eat, enjoy.
Pishi Bomba in association with Ajab Home Baking Flour.
Enjoy cooking your favorite meals with Ajab and freestyle your way to deliciousness. It's easy to knead, easy to roll, and quick to prepare. Ajab Home Baking Flour, the flour that does more.